What if I told you a teenager made $1,000 in his first 5 days of car detailing with zero experience? Most people would say that's impossible. Jake proved them wrong. While his classmates stress about minimum wage jobs, he went from a complete beginner to $1,000 in 5 days with his car detailing business. And that was just the start. Now he's doing over $13,500 a month. The secret isn't talent or luck, it's having the right system. I've helped detailers generate over $30 million. And I'll show you exactly how Jake went from zero to $1,000 in just 5 days. Why beginners who work with us succeed faster than most people ever expect. The biggest misconception is people think you need experience or it just takes time to make money. And it does, but when you're starting out hitting $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 a month, and the reality of business, $5,000, $15,000 a month isn't a lot of money. So the biggest thing is you need to take action. While most people spend months researching, you just need to start. Smart people understand that it's a $30 billion car detailing industry, they just jump right into it. There's 280 million cars in America alone. Most people overthink instead of taking action and proven opportunities. There are tens of thousands of successful car detailing businesses out there, and if you just do what they did, you'll be successful. For example, Jake went from making $300 every 2 weeks at his restaurant to making $13,400 in his first 60 days detailing working with us, even though he was a complete beginner. So what was Jake's exact 5-day system? Jake signed up for our 5-day trial and we set up his basic equipment and messaging. We launched his targeted ads to local car detailers in his area. Leads started coming in, our AI system booked in his first 5 appointments. Jake completed those 5 appointments and did $1,000 in total bookings. He didn't have to figure out marketing, pricing, or lead follow-up. Our system handled it all for him. So many car detailers, they try to reinvent the wheel. You're growing a business where you're providing a service to cars. You're cleaning cars. It's been around for 100 years. You need to learn how to get your business known and then convert those leads into clients. That's it. It's the same 5-day process we use for all of the people who sign up for our free trial. We have an AI system that responds to leads instantly. Harvard has shown through studies that this increases your conversion rate by up to 400% versus if you wait even 30 minutes. Jake now does 10 to 20 jobs per week and is still fully booked out doing thousands per week even while he's still in high school. If you want to see how this system works in your area, click the link in the description. We'll set everything up for 5 days and guarantee you 5 booked jobs. We'll reimburse your ad spend. Every day you wait is another day you're leaving thousands of dollars every single week on the table. Click the link to book now. Why does this method work when everything else fails? Traditional methods like door-to-door, Facebook groups, things like that, passing out flyers, they position you as a chaser. You want to be a chasee, if that's even a word. You want people chasing you. You don't want to be chasing people down. That makes you look desperate and low status and you lose all authority in the sale. Professional advertising positions you as the premium choice. Customers come to you. I've helped over 200 mobile detailers scale their business using this system. The mobile advantage. You're solving convenience plus quality, which people pay premium prices for. People will pay premium for you to come to their house and detail their car if you understand messaging and you know how to position yourself right. Jake's success isn't luck. It's what happens when you have the right marketing system in place. Quick recap. Jake went from a restaurant worker making $300 every couple weeks to doing over $13,000 in his mobile car detailing business within the first couple months using our system. The simple difference in life and business from those who succeed versus those who stay stuck is your willingness to get help from people who have already walked the path you want to walk and then stick with the plan. That's it. It's not about detailing skills either. It's about having the right client acquisition system in place so you can actually get clients consistently without looking like you're begging or you're desperate. So the choice is yours. If you want to keep researching, keep watching videos like this, or actually start implementing. Jake was broke, working at a restaurant, making excuses. Now he's 17 and out earning his teachers. The difference, he stopped waiting for the perfect time and took action. You have 2 choices right now. Click the link in the description and see if you qualify for our 5-day trial or stay exactly where you are when teenagers like Jake are getting rich working with us. If you want to learn more about how to get more car detailing clients for your business and the equipment you might need, watch this next video. Stop making excuses. Your broke friends are still going to be broke tomorrow. Do you want that to be you?